Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to write blog posts with GPT. So these are three different ways that you could do this. And really it comes down to the function that GPT has, which GPT as a language model has an understanding of how essays are supposed to be written. And blog posts are effectively essays. I mean, they're pretty much the exact same thing. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So three different things. So first one I'm going to show you is Chatgpt because it's free. A lot of people use it, etc. So I'm going to be using the default 3.5 for this just experience here because I'm assuming that that's what most people have as opposed to the 4. I actually pay for the 4, but I'm actually about to end the subscription soon and there's a reason why. But regardless, I'll just show you that in a minute. But let's just say I'm going to write an article on everything let me go ahead and fix this. Everything you need to know about Anavar. Okay? Like that's the topic of my article. In that case, I'm going to write here, write me, let's go over here, write me a outline on everything you need to know about Anavar. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and add here an essay outline. Okay, and fix the spelling and then hit submit. And then that's what it's going to do here. So this is an outline. And what you want to do is you want to expand on each part. So when you actually write your article, you can go ahead and do that and expand on each part. So if you want to talk about the cycles, you just say, write me a portion of this article on the part about the Anavar cycle, right? And it will go ahead and do that. So explain, you could see here very well. And I spelled stuff wrong. I did all kinds of stuff, but it still understood what I was trying to say. And that's good. That's one way, all right? The second way is you could do this through the OpenAI API, okay? So the OpenAI API has this section here called the playground. And within it, you have something called complete. And within complete, you have different languages. So you have text, DaVinci, all these kind of stuff. I would personally go over here to chat, and chat is better in my opinion, and go over here to Turbo, all right? And what you're going to do is you're going to configure your settings. There's a little more settings here, like you control maximum length, temperature, etc. And these all have their own kind of meanings, but the length is obvious. It has to do with the amount of tokens that can be used per session, and the temperature has to do with the randomness. So if there's more temperature, if the number's higher, then basically what it is that it will discuss more random topics. So 0.7 is the default, and I'll just leave it at that. Here, top P refers to the diversity of the sample. So it's similar to temperature, but it's the antithesis, essentially. 0.5 means half, or 0.5 means the likelihood of all of the different weighted options considered, meaning all the different options of the temperature is considered, okay? Frequency penalty is basically I will increase my penalty here. I don't want more frequent things showing up over and over in my message. And then presence penalty is how much to penalize new tokens based on whether they appear for text so far, increase the model's likelihood to talk about new topics. So if you increase this, it will talk about a little bit more new topics, which I like to keep it at somewhere around a quarter, so 0.28. Now, we're going to go ahead and give the exact same prompt. So we're going to go over here, and let's go ahead and copy this. Write me an essay outline about just like that, okay? And I'm going to paste that and hit submit. And it will go ahead and do the same thing for me. And we could actually compare the results. So like introduction, what is Anavar? The benefits of using Anavar. As you can see here, it has similar stuff. Side effects, how to use Anavar safely, benefits, etc. So not bad, right? And you can see here, it cut it at a good size, decent size, pretty good, right? And you do the exact same thing. Now, there's another way to do this, like I said, is within Rocket Web Builder. So if you're familiar, we integrated the OpenAI completely for free technology within Rocket Web Builder. And if you're writing a blog, let's just say like this, okay, in Rocket Web Builder, if you're not familiar, Rocket Web Builder is a place where you can build your own website, your own blog, your own business, all in one platform, okay? Starts at 15 or 13 bucks a month, depending on if you want to pay yearly or monthly. But regardless, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to test it out. But I could do the exact same thing here. So I'll go here, double click on the AI, generate text, and I'll say, write me an essay outline on everything you need to know about Anavar, okay? And then I'll hit submit. Now, what this is going to do is this model specifically that we did here was trained for SEO purposes. So when it does all this, it takes into consideration everything SEO related. So we have legal status of Anavar, dosage, benefits, chemical properties, right? Introduction. If we go over here and take a look here, this has what is Anavar, benefits, side effects, cycle, legal status, okay? Here we have a little more aspect from an SEO standpoint. So it's the context is a little bit different, right? Legal status, dosage. Dosage wasn't even talked about in the other ones. Benefits, okay? Chemical properties, that wasn't talked about, I don't think either. Side effects, things like that, that's all included, but this is from an SEO standpoint. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do it. I'm just really happy with the way this came out that we have so far here, built on Rocket Web Builder, and it does it for free. And you don't even have to pay for it. It's built into Rocket Web Builder. So if you want to try Rocket Web Builder, give it a shot. If you're not using Rocket Web Builder, maybe you have other platforms, other websites, then go ahead and use Chatgpt. Cool thing is for me, this saves time for my virtual assistants. If you guys see my other channels, I've sped very, very specifically about not investing time into wasted resources. And when I have virtual assistants, I want them to focus. I want them to work quick. If they have to spend extra time copying and pasting, that's extra time that they're going to cost me. So this is better because I don't have to have them sit there, copy and paste, do a whole bunch of nonsense. It's all done for them right here, right there. And you could see here, it's just as good, if not better, than Chatgpt and etc. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this video helps out. Peace out. Bye.